Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we are back with optical isomerism in coordination complexes. तो पिछली लास्ट दो क्लासेस में हमने ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म देखा था. लास्ट क्लासेस में हमने ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म देखा था इन कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री. ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म और ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म ने हमने बोला था सिस कॉम्प्लेक्स और ट्रांस कॉम्प्लेक्स. उसमें भी हमने बोला था वी हैव ML4 complexes and ML6 complexes, means 4 coordinate complexes and 6 coordinate complexes. Geometrical isomerism, फिर हमने कहा था जो ML4 complexes है, they are either tetrahedral or square planar. Tetrahedral complexes they don't show the geometrical isomerism. तो हमने square planar complexes की different categories study की थी, and then we studied the octahedral complexes. Now, so this was all about the geometrical isomerism. Now, मूविंग ऑन टू दी ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म. तो ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म में पहले हम थोड़ा सा इसकी इंट्रोडक्शन देख लेते हैं. ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म एज द वर्ड सेज इट इज समथिंग टू डू विद द लाइट. फाइन. तो ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म मींस यूजुअली व्हेन वी हैव टू आइसोमर्स या मोर देन टू आइसोमर्स जिनका स्ट्रक्चरल जिनका जो मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला सेम है, उनके एलिमेंट्स सारे जितने भी है दे आर सेम, बट द डिफरेंस इज दैट they have number one they have a chiral center. So they have a chiral center, and then number two they are superimposable to their mirror images. Means chiral center means they have a center metline पे different types of ligands are attached, different types. इस तरह organic chemistry में we say a chiral carbon where we have 4 different groups attached. यहाँ पे different types of ligands are attached to the central metline. Non-superimposable means जो आपके दो isomers, if you want to place one, for example, let's have an example of a platinum complex. Let's say we have here 2 ligands. One is a pyridine type ligand, and there is ammonia ligand. Then we have, let us say, chlorine. This is, let us say, is an octahedral complex. So this is an octahedral complex NH3. So this is an octahedral complex. These are different 6 ligands coordinated to the met line which is platinum. Now अगर इसका एक दूसरा आइसोमर हम यहाँ पे बना लें, if we make one more isomer here, so what do we mean by this non-superimposable? Let us keep a mirror here. एक शीशा एक मिरर यहाँ पे रख लेते हैं. Then let us say we have one more isomer here. Pyridine ligand here. Then we have another ligand here. Ammonia ligands here. Then we have a chloride here, another chloride here, another ammonia here. तो ये दो complexes हमारे पास है, 2 platinum complexes, और दोनों complexes में if you check from this side we have pyridine, here we have pyridine, so they are like a mirror image, they are facing each other across the mirror. Likely ammonia, but then pyridine, here we have a pyridine, so we have chloride on back side, chloride here. Then we have another chlorine here, another chloride here. So all the ligands, all the groups, they are like exactly the mirror images to each other. But if you place this, if you take this isomer and place this here on this isomer, आप देख रहे इसी डायरेक्शन में इसको उठा लीजिए. इस क्लोरीन पे ये pyridine आ जाता है, ये इस pyridine पे रहता है, and then this pyridine feeds chlorine. That means you cannot make them overlap. जैसे हमारे पास दो hands, you cannot make them to get overlapped. So it's called as a non-superimposable condition. So optical isomers में they are mirror images, but they are non-superimposable, and they have different groups attached to the centimeter line, and more importantly they are non-symmetric. उनमें symmetry नहीं होती है. They don't have the element of symmetry. So they don't have the element of symmetry. So by optical isomerism ज़्यादा इसके deep में नहीं जाएंगे हम. They are chiral molecules, and they actually have their isomers are non-superimposable. So they are called as optical isomers. तो optical isomers जो होते हैं उनमें एक property होती है that they have same physical and chemical properties, same coordination complex में they have usually same physical and chemical characteristics. They have same physical and chemical characteristics. Same physical and chemical properties. Lekin, but what they do is that they rotate the plane of polarized light. They rotate plane polarized light. Plane, ये important है, plane polarized light. Means अगर हमारे पास इन दो isomers की दो solutions रखी है, and then if we pass the plane polarized light through these isomers, let us say this is isomer 1, this is isomer 2, इसका एक solution है, it's isomer 2, and then we have a plane polarized light. Plane polarized light, we know that when we have a light which has all the components, they are actually propagating along the single plane. हमारे पास usually जो electromagnetic radiation होती है, it has electrical and magnetic components, they are vibrating perpendicular to each other and to the direction of propagation. लेकिन if somehow you make this light to propagate in a single direction, it's called as a plane polarized light. इसको हम ऐसे दिखा लेते हैं. That means the components are actually vibrating along the single plane. जैसे हम prism से pass करके बनाते हैं या और भी हमारे पास setups होते हैं. Now if you pass this through these solutions, this light, let us say it is isomer 1. One isomer, it rotates this light. Let us say it passes through this. You will see that it rotates this light in this direction. ऐसे pass हो जाती है. और इससे it rotates in a different direction. So that isomer which rotates the plane of polarized light, yeah, which rotates the plane polarized light towards the right. So we say it's a dextro-rotatory isomer. And if it rotates the plane polarized light towards the left, it's called a levo-rotatory isomer. It is denoted by dextro by small d, and this is denoted by L. So this is the basics of the optical isomers in the coordination complexes. So we can have dextro-rotatory isomers or we can have a levo-rotatory isomer. दोनों में their physical and chemical behavior is almost same, but what they do is they rotate the plane of polarized light either towards the right or left. If the isomer rotates towards the light towards the right, it's called dextro. It's denoted by small d. If it is towards the left, it's called levo. तो ये तो हो गया basics of the optical isomerism. अब now we'll take the example जिस तरह हमने geometrical में पढ़ा था, different types of examples in geometrical isomerism, ML4, ML6. Same is the case here. So we'll start here. So optical isomerism in coordination complexes. So complex number 1. So हमने कहा था वहाँ पे in geometrical isomerism we have ML4 complexes and ML6 complexes. ML4 में हमने कहा था we have two geometries possible. We have tetrahedral and octahedral. Tetrahedral and square planar. Square planar designated by D for H point group and tetrahedral designated by D point group. D6 complexes, they are called octahedral, they are denoted by OH. Geometrical isomerism में हमने कहा था tetrahedral में it is not possible. Octahedral square planar में हमने study किया था different categories और octahedral में study की थी हमने different categories. But as far as the optical isomerism is concerned, optical isomerism cannot be observed in the ML4 complexes. Optical isomerism cannot be observed in the complexes where we have 4 ligands. So that means we are left with the octahedral complexes. So let us take the example of octahedral complexes. In octahedral complexes, we have one type of compound. Compounds, they have a formula M. So they are designated by M, A2, B2, A2, B2, and C2 complex. Means we have a metal ion, then there are 3 different types of ligands. Each have a number equal to 2. So that makes the total 6. अब ये 6 आ गए, that is the octahedral complex. तो इस कैटेगरी की एग्जाम्पल में हम ले लेते हैं इस कॉम्प्लेक्स को जो हमने अभी बनाया था यहाँ पे. So this is the complex platinum, 2 pyridyl ligands, 2 chloride ligands, and 2 amine ligands. So this is the D and L isomer of your octahedral complex. अब इस complex में हमारा charge होता है +2, and so we have a charge of +2. So that means if you want to show it complex here, we can make it like platinum. Then we have pyridyl ligand 2 twice, chloride twice, and amine ligand is twice. So this is your coordination complex with the charge +2. So this is the example, and this way we can actually make 2 isomers, the D and L isomer. So this is the category number 1 of optical isomers, where we have Ma2, B2 and C2 type complex. This is example number 1. Example number 2. Example number 2. Second type of complex, that is MAA2, MAA2, B, B2 type. Means आपके पास जो metal ion है, it has attached bidentate ligand. They are homo, both the sides. Bidentate ligand में जो दोनों sides है, they are same. They are coordinating to the same atom, like ethylene diamine. And then there's another ligand which is monodentate. Their number is 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is an octahedral complex. Example. Let us have a cobalt complex. Cobalt complex, chloride, ethylene diamine. This is it has a plus charge, single positive charge. इसमें ethylene diamine है यहाँ पे. It's a bidentate ligand. It will coordinate through 2 sides. ethylene diamine हम ऐसे दिखाते हैं. So this is one CH2, this is another CH2, this is NH2 from here, और यहाँ पे एक NH2 group होता है इसका. So it coordinates through this to the metal line, और यहाँ से it coordinates through this to the metal line. इस तरह से यहाँ से और एक रहता है और यहाँ से और एक. तो यहाँ से एक तो 6 ligands total. So this way it makes an octahedral complex. So this is our then 2 chloride ligands यहाँ पे. So that makes our octahedral complex. So now let us make it a cis. This is optical isomers D and L. Now if we make, अगर ये complex हमारे पास है Ma2B2, if we draw this complex here, NH2, NH2, chloride. अब देख लीजिए हमारे पास एक पॉसिबिलिटी ये है. ना ये जो इसका सिस फॉर्म है, इसका ये जो फॉर्म है इसका, आप देखिए इट इज अ प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री. यू कैन कट दिस इनटू 2 इक्वल हाउस ऐसे. और जहां पे प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री आता है, मैंने कहा ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर्स में दे डोंट हैव द प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री, दे डोंट हैव एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ सिमेट्री, दैट इज दे आर काइरल मॉलिक्यूल्स. काइरल में एक यूजुअली हम कहते हैं व्हेन वी हैव डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स अटैच्ड. एक्चुअल काइरलिटी मींस when we don't have any plane of symmetry in the molecule. अब इस molecule में we have plane of symmetry, that means it will not show the optical isomerism. So this molecule doesn't show the optical isomerism. तो इस complex को हम छोड़ लेते हैं. We'll move to the example number 2. तो ये तो हो गया इसका एक trans type form. Now if we make a cis form of it, इसी complex का हम cis form बना लेते हैं. So the trans form of this complex is not optically active. So the trans form of this complex is not optically active because it has a plane of symmetry. अब इसका हम cis form बना लेते हैं. Cobalt, you get 4 ligands. This is यहाँ पे chlorides 5th, then one more is here. अगर यहाँ पे हम अटैच करा ले इसको इथिलीन डायमीन 1, and then other molecule will attach here of bidentate ligand. So this is chloride molecule. अब देख लीजिए ये जो this one and this one, they are above and below the plane. तो इथिलीन डायमीन एक साइड से इक्वेटोरियल में इसके कोऑर्डिनेट करा, दूसरे साइड से ऑन द प्लेन कोऑर्डिनेट करा. सो इट डजंट फॉल्स ऑन द प्लेन. सो दिस वे इट्स अ सिस आइसोमर. अब दिस सिस आइसोमर we can make the optical isomers of this cis isomer. We can easily draw a mirror plane here. तो इसके with respect में this is your cobalt ऐसे. This is your ethylene diamine molecule from here. यहाँ से another chloride ligand. अब देख लीजिए. So अगर आप you see this and this is their mirror planes, they are mirror images, they are mirror images. So it's totally they are mirror images of each other. And if you place this molecule on this, you cannot see the superimposition. They are non-superimposable mirror images. So the cis isomer of MAA2B2 type complex will show the D and L isomer, that is, it is optically active. So this is one more example. We can take one more example. This is case number 2. Then we have case number 3 also here possible. Case number 3 is MAA2. यहाँ पे भी we have bidentate ligands में दोनों sides एक जैसी है, and then we have BC, that is, so there are 3 different types of ligands, A bidentate and B and C. Example, let's make a cobalt isomer. We have a compound cobalt ethylene diamine twice, और उसके जो 2 ligands हैं, they are ammonia and chloride. Overall we have a charge here, that's plus. Let us check this isomer. It is MAA2 BC type octahedral complex. So we can make its optical isomers like we'll keep cobalt here. This is ethylene diamine from this side, यानी यहाँ पे एक नाइट्रोजन ethylene diamine का, यहाँ पे एक नाइट्रोजन. Second, we'll place it here. So 2 sides, 4 sides occupied. Then we'll keep chlorine here, ammonia here. Now let us draw the mirror plane. So let us see, can we make the mirror image of it? This is cobalt. This is one ethylene diamine from here. यहाँ से दूसरा, यहाँ एक क्लोरीन, यहाँ पे एक अमीन. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, they are mirror images of each other, and you cannot superimpose this on this. That means they are non-superimposable mirror images. So this is another type of compound where you can observe the optical isomerism. Now we have a last category here where the optical isomerism exists in the octahedral complex. So category number 4. Category number 4 we have, that is MAA3 type complex. अब यहाँ पे मेटलाइन है, लेकिन 3 bidentate ligands है, और तीनों में जो donating sites है they are same. That means अगर हमारे पास 3 ethylene diamine molecules है, so that is AA3 type. So MAA3 type. Example, for example, we have a cobalt, a chromium complex, and we have ligands, oxalate ligand. So overall charge is on this complex is -3. So this is a compound of metal complex of MAA3 type. 3 bidentate ligands, that makes it 6, so it's an octahedral complex. So it is this oxalate to chromium. Oxalate ligand means it's a derivative of oxalic acid. So this is your oxalate ion. One side is carboxylic from one side, another from here. So these two oxygens, they donate to the metline, and the donating sites are same, both are oxygen. So this is called as an oxalate ligand. So it's a bidentate ligand like ethylene diamine. Now let's make the optical isomers of it, D and L. Let's make the optical isomers of it. So this is cobalt. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 6 sites in the octahedral complex. It's oxalate complex will keep here. OX. 1 will keep here. And 1 will keep here. Now let us see, can we make the mirror image of it? So this is your oxalate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oxalate. This is your oxalate ligand. So you can see here they are mirror images of each other. And if you want to place this on this, you cannot superimpose them. So they are non-superimposable mirror images. So the complex trioxidochromate complex, it shows the optical isomerism. So this way, 4 categories we have discussed where the optical isomerism exists, where the isomers which are formed at their D and L, they rotate the plane of polarized light, even though they may have some physical chemical properties same. But they have the main property that they rotate the plane of polarized light either towards the right or towards the left. So this way they are either dextro-rotatory or levo-rotatory. इसमें हमने जस्ट एक एग्जांपल बोली थी, जो ये थोड़ा सा मेन पॉइंट है यहाँ पे एग्जाम्स में आता है. वी हैव कॉम्प्लेक्स जो MAE2 का हमने डिस्कस किया था, MAE2 टाइप P2. इस पे ये याद रखना इंपॉर्टेंट कि इसमें जो सिस और ट्रांस वाला आइसोमर एग्जिस्ट होता है, इसमें ट्रांस आइसोमर जो है, it doesn't shows the optical activity because it has a planarity in the molecule. It's not chiral. It's only cis form exists. तो रेस्ट केस में आप सिस से भी बना सकते हो, ट्रांस से भी बना सकते हो. So this is all about the optical isomerism in coordination complexes.